In this video, we're going to talk about the Medicube Zero Pore Serum. Does it really work? Let's find out. So the Medicube Zero Pore Serum is a skincare product made to help with large pores. It claims tighten pores, smooth skin texture, reduce oil, and make the face look more even. The serum has ingredients like witch hazel, salicylic acid, and some mild exfoliants. These are often used in skincare to help dead skin cells come off and reduce the look of pores. The serum is light and non-greasy, which many people says feel nice on the skin without leaving heavy residue. Many users report seeing more improvement after using the serum regularly for a few weeks. They often says that their skin feels less oily, their pores look smaller, especially around the nose and their cheeks, and their skin texture feels smoother. Some also like how their moisturizer or other skin creams absorb better after using this serum. People with combination of skin or oily skin seem to like it best. So overall, Medicube Zero Pore Serum appears helpful for controlling oil, smoothing skin texture, and making pores look smaller. It works best with regular use, gentle handling, and realistic hopes about the change. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next one.